Most people think downsizing starts with decluttering, but that's actually backwards. The real secret isn't figuring out what to get rid of, it's deciding what you truly want to keep. Now, let's be honest, it's not the move that stresses most people out. It's standing in a room full of memories thinking, what on earth do I do with all this stuff? So let's flip the script. Instead of asking, what do I need to let go of? Try asking, what deserves to come with me into my next chapter? That one little mindset shift makes the process lighter, a lot more positive. And that's where my favorite system comes in, the green tag method. It's simple, it's visual, and it takes all the stress really out of deciding what stays and what goes. Here's how it works. Step 1, sketch your new space. Picture your next home. It's probably going to be smaller, cozier, closer to family. Make a quick sketch, and just boxes and shapes are fine. And think about how you want the space to feel. Step 2, tag what fits. Walk through your current home and place a green tag or a sticky note on the items that belong in that new space. The things you use, the things you love, or that make you smile. If it doesn't get a green tag, it probably doesn't make the move. Step 3, go room by room. And you don't need to do the whole house in one weekend, one room at a time. Seeing those green tags pop up shows you what really matters. Step 4, review your storage. And you're probably not going to have that big basement or attic, so keep that in mind. And some of the items that you have stored in those places probably won't be part of your next home. And so tag accordingly. Your future you will thank you. And then step 5, choose wisely. Once you've tagged the essentials, you add a few sentimental favorites, but only if they truly fit. The goal isn't to take everything you've ever loved. It's to take the things that fit the life you're building. Now, what about everything that didn't get a green tag? Here's what to do next. Invite your family. Let them walk through the house and choose the things that don't have a green tag. Donate usable items to local charities or churches. Gift special pieces to friends, neighbors. And sell. You can use estate sales, consignment shops, or my favorite is online. Facebook Marketplace is a good resource. And recycle or toss anything broken, outdated. If you catch yourself saying, I might need that, be honest. If you haven't used it in years, you probably won't start now. Keeping too much stuff, just in case, can turn your new, simpler home into your next decluttering project. Here's something kind of interesting. During the housing boom of the 2000s, a lot of people built big, really big houses. And now over 60% of them say they wish they'd gone smaller. And part of that is financial. Lower mortgage payments, lower utility bills, but it's also about freedom, less maintenance, less stress, and more time to enjoy life. So if you're staring at a house full of memories, grab a pack of green tags and start small and focus on what matters most. Not on what you're losing, but what you're taking with you into your next chapter. I'm Jana Klaasse. I help a lot of retirees make their next move painless and also have some fun along the way. And if you'd like a printable version of this process, go to RetirementHUB WV.com and download Green Tagging It. And you can download a guide. And I want to thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.